Hi guys, I'd like to show you how to charter on Intercity. So you move along on the landing page up to the charter a vehicle button, and then you're able to add your personal information like your first name, your last name, your email address, and your phone number. And from there you move on to the rental information, where you choose either it's a one-way trip or a round trip. You click on where you're traveling from and also where you're traveling to, and you can also type in your location if it's not on the drop down. From there you choose the type of vehicle and your travel date, and then you punch in your budget for the trip, and then you add the number of passengers that will be going, and you can also add a note which is optional, and you click on send charter request when you're done, and we'll get back to you, reach out to you in 24 hours.